All right, so item number 6 on our flight plan for today is your timeline at a glance sheet. So I've mentioned that now and then how important this is, and I want to take a moment here to just show you this and point out a couple of things. Okay, so you probably can't read this, you don't need to, but this is what your timeline at a glance sheet looks like. Notice that it is a one-page schedule. And so it covers the entire class. It's got dates for everything. It is color-coded with your proctor quizzes in red and your assignment due dates in blue. If you print it out and post it somewhere handy, you will easily see things coming ahead of time and not run into any surprises or confusion. It can also be kind of fun to use this as a checklist. You would be surprised at how quickly the semester whizzes by as you check these items off. Your timeline at a glance sheet is found, of course, linked in your prep tasks and also under your syllabus navigation tab. Now, if you are going cross-eyed right now and wondering how you're ever going to remember all of this information, be assured of a few things. First, now that you have a framework in your mind, as long as you do all of your to-do lists and tasks in order, you should be able to just focus on one thing at a time. Remember, everything you need to do for each task will be linked right to that item in your to-do list. So just tackle them each week, one by one, in order. Now, especially important, before doing your first online part assignment in your week 1 to-do list that began today, be sure to do the item before it, which is registering to access your ebook software. Okay? Do not do your online part assignments using your print book, or you will not get credit for the assignment points. So it's very important to register and get that software first and do it within your ebook. All right. Also, know that a recording of this class material can be found under modules by scrolling beneath all the weekly to-do lists. So you can watch it again if that would be helpful. And finally, what if you just have a question or two about some detail you couldn't write or type fast enough to catch the answer to from this recording, but don't need to watch a whole section again? Come see us during our many Zoom Room office hours posted on our class homepage. They begin the first whole week of classes. So remember that we've got many Zoom office hours, and they cover Monday through Friday, many of them, and you can get the link and the schedule right on our homepage for our class. So you're going to enjoy this class, and now you know all the tricks, right? The only other thing we did in our first class was take attendance, which of course we won't be doing here. So I wish you a wonderful semester. And again, notice that the segments to today's recording are all labeled like SONA credits and how to pursue an A and proctor quizzes, right? So that you can go over them again if you want.